I know. Here we are again, and I have Lincoln, and I have Bentley, and I'm your host, Jesse Sawyer, nationally recognized inclusive fitness trainer, Silver Sneaker Flex instructor. You can find out more about me. Visit my website, www.jessesawyer.com. Now, hopefully, you've done the short flexion exercise that I've shown you in the seated position with both legs extended in front of you. Today, I'm going to show you the more advanced short flexion exercise with your opposite leg in that figure four position. Now, this is for that older adult, this is for that senior, this is for that mid-range individual like myself that's having lower back discomfort, that's having hip mobility discomfort, and that sits for lengthy periods of the day. And you're seeing other videos out there and you're saying, I just can't do those types of exercises because they're more advanced. These are too simple. The first one, that extension exercise that I've shown you, and then this one, that figure four short flexion exercise, are both excellent exercises for you to add to your daily repertoire as you age. So let's do it. Let's get down to this ground. Let's be nice and careful as we do descend to the ground. Now, if you recall in the other video, and if you haven't seen it, subscribe, is both my feet were extended in front of me and I'm in a nice upright position, which can be hard, especially if you're having some of that lower back discomfort or you're having that rounding of the shoulders or that thoracic kyphosis. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right leg and I'm going to pull it in and bend it down so it is in a figure four position, right? So if I turn to the side, you can see I'm in this figure four position. This foot is out in front of me and I can use this chair if necessary, and all I'm going to do is work on, again, that short flexion. Now, I don't want to lean back and lift up, because if you see, if I lean back and lift up, I can get great height on that short flexion. The goal is to be nice and upright, lift up, and try to get it as high as you possibly can so that you're actually feeling it in not only your quad, but your lower back as you lift up. Now, not total discomfort in that lower back as you lift up. So whatever you do to that right side or left side, you want to do it to the opposite side. So now I'm going to take this left leg and I'm going to bend it down, and that right leg is going to be in that short flexion position, and I'm just going to lift up, which I have clearly an opportunity to play with the dogs down here as well. Again, straight on up. If you need a little assistance, you can try to use both hands or the opposite hand to lift up a little higher. Again, you want to feel that closer to that hip and in that quad. Now, if you're struggling staying in that upright position, which majority of us do, you can always use that wall, lean up against that wall, bend that right or left leg. In this case, it's my right leg. Still have this chair here to utilize, and then lift up that left side. And again, I feel the cramping already occurring in my quad due to the inactivity and the underutilization of my hip. Another great exercise for you to add to your repertoire if you're an older adult or a senior. All it takes to get on this ground and be able to get that hip in that figure four. Or if you can't, do the short flexion. Both feet out in front of you. Just work on lifting that up. Just stay vertical and stay upright and try to keep your posture in a good position as you do this exercise. Peace, my friends.